story time! The Sweetest Bears. After Goldilocks left, the three bears began to play with greater things than beds and chairs. Papa Bear got a fast car to drive cooler places near and far. Next, Mama Bear got her own faster car, but the back wheels got stuck in tar. Baby Bear got the fastest car and zoomed off to see a shooting star. Papa Bear got a strong tow truck to tow the car that got stuck. Then Mama Bear got a stronger tow truck, but it only picked up a mad woodchuck. So Baby Bear got the strongest tow truck and towed that car out of the muck. Next, Papa Bear got a sweet ice cream to eat under a warm sunbeam. Mama Bear got a sweeter ice cream to eat by the cool stream. Baby Bear got the sweetest ice cream. It was stacked with rainbow chips, gumballs, and whipped cream. Then Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear got nice and snug for the longest, softest, warmest bear hug.